Your Facebook ad is approved, the budget is there, but it's just sitting there. It's not spending the full amount, or it's just spending a very tiny portion of it, which is very frustrating. Or it's not even delivering your ads at all. Now, I have managed ad accounts across multiple industries for over 5 years, right? And from experience, this is one of the most frustrating things that happen to advertisers. And the worst part, Facebook gives you no clear explanation why this is happening. My name is God Oyi, alright? And in this video, I'm going to walk you through every single step why your ad is not delivering or spending money, and exactly how to fix each one step by step, right? Follow me as I show you how to do that right away.
Now to get started, I'm going to show you some quick check-up, right? To fix your Facebook ad not spending or delivering, right? The first reason could be account status, right? It could be your account status. So you want to check if your ad account is not banned, is not restricted, or is not expressing payment failure. How do you know that your ad account is active? You can come to your ad account here, right? If you see any accounts, if you see any ad that is running that is showing this, that is showing active, that means your ad account is still active. So that is first check. Then you want to check for payment issue. So if you have payment issue, in this place that is showing delivery, you're going to see payment error here, right? So you want to check if you have payment issue or payment error, and you want to fix your payment, all right? Then that's how you can fix for that. Then if your ad account is restricted, you want to make an appeal. If you check all of this and everything here is well checked, then you want to move to the next step, which is ad status. You want to verify that your ads are active and not disabled, blocked, or unknowingly turned off in the ad level. Now, how do you do this? How do you run this check? Now you come to your ad account again. You want to check that your ad account is active, right? You want to check for other ads you are running. If other ads are running, that means your ad account is active. On this delivery box, you want to make sure that your ad is showing active, right? You can even click on the ad and click on edit to edit the ad, and it's going to take you here, right? Now come to the asset level to ensure the asset level is turned on. Alright, so come to the asset level here, which you can access from here. You can see that the asset level is showing active too. Right, there's the second check. Then you want to come to the ad level too to ensure the ad level is not unknowingly turned off. So you can see that our ad level is active. Everything is showing active here. So everything is turned on. Now, if you have run all this check, everything here is intact, then you want to move to the next step. You want to check for your manual bidding strategy, right? If you are using manual bidding strategy, please avoid using overly restrictive manual bids that prevent your ads from entering the auction, right? So you want to use the automatic instead. Probably you might have come to your ad account, then this bidding strategy type, the default one here, which is automatic, is to just use the highest volume or value, right, to get the best auction in the market. So you probably might have selected cost per result goal, right? Then on the asset level, you edited your cost per result. Maybe your cost per bid is too low. That's why your ad is not delivering. So you want to run a check on this too. Now, the best thing that we advise you for this is to use a reasonable bidding option here. So whether you are bidding for cost per lead or cost per sale, please use a reasonable figure here. If not, the algorithm is going to struggle to show your ads to people. It's going to struggle to auction your ad to people because a lot of people are bidding more higher with this cost you want, right? So that's just by the side. So you want to ensure you avoid overly restrictive manual bids that prevent your ads from entering the auction. In fact, you want to even use the automatic instead, which is the default one when you're trying to run your ad, right? Now the next thing here is your targeting. Your targeting could limit your ads from delivering, all right? If your audience size is too narrow, let's say under 200k, you want to consider expanding it, all right? For custom audience, ensure your pixel has gathered enough data. What does this mean? If you are doing detailed targeting and your interest is too small, it's under 200k, the algorithm might struggle to show your ads to people. Why? Because the audience is too small, it's too narrow. Same thing goes to your lookalike audience, your custom audience, your retargeting ads, your video views retargeting ads. Those kind of custom audience, if they are less than 1,000 people on the pixel, you want to just ensure your data gathers enough data, your pixels or your video gathers much views before you can use it to create an ad, so they can get much more audience. So let me show you my audience here now. Right, on the asset level, you can scroll down. So you can see my estimated audience size is over 30 million people. So you can see that I'm actually targeting broad. So my audience size is perfect. Anything above 200k is fine, but anything above 1 million, 2 million is extremely great, right? So the broad, the better. In fact, you want to just go for broad targeting, all right? See this place that you say suggest an audience. Click on show suggestion. Then you do your detailed targeting. You can just leave it empty, and I can tell you for free that that broad targeting works best right now. So just leave this place where you put interest blank, right? You can do your custom audience, your retargeting later, but just gather a lot of data first from your pixels or from your video views, right? Before you can do all of that. You also have to ensure all of these checks and everything clicks perfectly. Your audience is broad. Then you want to go to the next check here, which is to force delivery, right? Let's say everything we have discussed earlier is well checked from your side. Then the next thing to do is to force delivery. How do you force your delivery? You duplicate the asset. Sometimes you want to re-enter the market and slightly raise your daily spend, allow it to start spending sometimes, alright? What does this mean? You can just come here, right? Click on this. You duplicate the ad set. You can click on quickly duplicate, alright? So let me just see tutorial ad set, alright? Now we can now scroll down. You can now increase your daily budget. You can now increase it slightly, right? And publish the ad, and it might actually work. Sometimes it is going to work. Once you publish it, it might just pick up, right? This second asset might just pick up and start delivering. So that's one strategy. You can force delivery, all right? Duplicate the asset and increase the budget, right? On the new duplicate you created. All right, that is it for this part. Now, if you want to master Meta ads, I mean Facebook ads, Instagram ads, even TikTok ads this year, and finally turn your ad spend into consistent leads and sales, then go ahead and like this video and subscribe to this channel right now, right? Because on this channel, I show you exactly how to build campaigns that actually works. So do that right now with the subscribe button down below, right? Have you done that? All right, now let's continue. Right, then the next option you can consider is use the accelerated delivery, right? This feature can be used to speed up ad delivery. How do you do this? Under your asset level, you can scroll down. Then under delivery type, you can, if your ad account allow it, click on it. Then select accelerated delivery. Alright, this can actually speed up your delivery. If it's available in your ad account, as you can see, it's not available in my own ad account. But if it's available, you can try this out, and probably your ad might probably force delivery on your ad. All right, so I trust you understand this. Right now, the third way you can actually force delivery is your bidding strategy. All right, like I told you guys, you want to use automated bidding or set high bid often 2 to 3 times your target CPA to force Mr. Algorithm to win more auction in the marketplace, right? So if you are using manual bidding, you can come back to your manual bidding. Let's say you are bidding for $250 per sales. Let's say you are running a sales ad, right? You can come to your asset level and decide to edit your bidding, right? You can see we are using the automated bidding, but let me take it to manual. So let's take it to manual, come to your ad level, right? Then scroll down. Then you see this bidding campaign strategy is already on automatic, which is highest volume. Meta is going to automatically bid for you, right, and compete for you. So you can click it and edit it. You can put it at manual, right, which is cost per result. Once you put it as manual, you can now go back to your ad set level, right? Let's say you're running an ad and you are bidding for $250 per sale, right? Let's assuming this is a sales ad, you are bidding for $250 to get a sales for one of your products, right? You can now say you can double or triple your bidding cost, which is $500. So instead of entering $250 a year, you can decide to enter $500 a year. You want to actually double or triple your bidding auction here. So that's how it basically works. So I'm just trying making a rough explanation for you. Alright, so I trust you really understand this. Alright, so try out this ad, your ad is actually going to start delivering. Then another thing you want to check again, if other ads your account is showing active, you want to be sure that your ad account is working, right? Then if you already have another ad set already working for you, you can just decide to forget about this one that is not working and just leave the one that's already working. If you really insist this ad to start delivering, then you can follow all of these guides I just explained, right? And I guarantee you your ad is going to start delivering, right? Just increase your budget, all right? Increase your budget a little bit, and your ad is actually going to start delivering. I trust I've gained value in this video. If I really give value in this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this. And if you want to learn how to come up with compelling creative you can use to run effective ads using AI, click on this video shown at the top of your screen right here.